sorry for that little technical difficulty there. This is a rural area, and sometimes phone connections aren't working as they should. But just a little recap: we're heading back north towards Billings on this stretch of road, and we're here to see the damage. See the flooding on Blue Creek. There is a warning out for that, and we're just here to see if it is at a danger, if it is at a rather serious situation this time. The Blue Creek back in sight, I believe, and right now it does not seem like there's too much water around here that could be a cause of concern. Obviously that could change at any moment, so we're not making any conclusions here, nor is it our place to make those conclusions. But we're getting back into the Briarwood subdivision, so we'll know more as we get back in there. Okay, we're closing in on Briarwood, and there's a street that I have missed a couple of times, and I'm going to turn in there and see what is happening, because that place is closer to Blue Creek than Briarwood is, so I'm going to turn in there and see what's going on. The street we're turning into right now is Robindale Drive. I'm going to shut off the windshield wiper here for a minute, just going on manual. I'm going to take this off the dashboard right now, and here is the river. It doesn't seem like anything too serious at this point. And that is the Blue Creek Volunteer Fire Department that's passed by. And it's worth noting that some of the homes around here are still sandbagged in order to prevent any flooding should they come. And it's actually pretty important to note, because I was there yesterday, and the management of the golf course at Briarwood say that they're not quite yet there as to as for repairs and stuff, because they don't know what the next rainstorm is going to bring, so they're just waiting it out. Apparently, local area people living in this area are of the same mind on this issue. Since there is nothing to speak of at this moment, I am going to head back to the studio and wait for further instructions, and wait for other reports so we can come out here and bring them to you. Please stay tuned to Color 8 News for Stormwatch 2011. We'll have more coverage. My colleague, sorry for that, I can't reach for the dashboard right now, but to wrap it up, my colleague Laura Kennedy was out in Pro Agency today for more on what happened, and we have another reporter out in Roundup to see the damage to that town at this time. So until next time, this is Kenneth Wong, reporter for Color 8 News, signing off near Blue Creek at the Briarwood subdivision.